Still using that old noisy trimmer? This one tool replaces your beard trimmer, body groomer, and travel razor, and it's going viral in the US and Canada. Let me show you why. Hey guys, I'm Ruhul from Raminmark. Today I'm reviewing the MANSPOT Groin and Body Hair Trimmer, the tool that's going viral in men's grooming this year. If you buy using the links in the description, I may earn a small commission and no extra cost to you. It was featured by the New York Post as a top Father's Day gift. Over 10,000 units sold in a month. Why? Because it's waterproof, ultra-safe, and made for real men's grooming routines. Let's test this bad boy. For chest and groin areas, the ceramic blades work smooth and nick-free. The waterproof design means you can use it in the shower without worries. For beards? It's clean, quick, and detailed. Here's what you get: long-lasting battery with 90 minutes runtime, USB-C fast charging, multiple guard heads, and a travel-friendly design. No blade oil needed. Whether it's a quick cleanup before work, post-gym shower trim, or hotel grooming, MANSPOT performs every time. And it's small enough to carry anywhere. Compared to Philips One Blade or Wall Peanut, MANSPOT delivers better runtime, waterproof body, and more coverage. Tips: trim when your beard is dry. Clean blades after every use. Don't press too hard near sensitive areas. Use the correct guard size for even cuts. Tips: trim when your beard is dry. Clean blades after every use. Don't press too hard near sensitive areas. Use the correct guard size for even cuts. Tips: trim when your beard is dry. Clean blades after every use. Don't press too hard near sensitive areas. Use the correct guard size for even cuts. For men who want one tool to groom it all, the MANSPOT Trimmer is a no-brainer. Links below for the best Amazon deals, ships to USA, Canada, and EU. Smash that like button, subscribe for more reviews, and comment below your favorite grooming style. See you in the next one.